Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily log in back into your Binance wallet account after you've been logged out. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, but if you haven't created an account yet, make sure to check our other video where you can learn how to create a Binance wallet account for yourself. So let's get started. Logging into your Binance Wallet app can be a little tricky if you haven't verified your account yet, but don't worry, I'm here to teach you step by step on how to log in into your account. So first of all, open the Binance Wallet app on your phone. You will see a page like this where you can see the option to sign up or log in. Click there. Then a little down, you can see that you have the option to log in if you already have an account. So click on that option. Then you will have to enter the email that you used to register this account. After you enter your email, click on Next. And then you will be required to enter the password that you created for yourself. Enter that. After you enter your password, simply click on Login. So in the next step, you will get a verification code sent to your email. But for that, you need to click on Get Code on the box right underneath the email verification code area. Click there. And now you will receive a verification code sent to your email address that you used to verify your account. Go ahead and check your email. There you will see an email like this with a 6-digit verification code. So you can simply copy paste that, or you can just type in. I'm gonna copy and then paste. After you're done, simply click on Submit and wait for a while to get logged in into your account. So you may be asked to enable the biometric authentication if you haven't done it already. I'm gonna do it maybe later. You can do it now as well. And there you go. You have now successfully been logged in into your account. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you found it any helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel.